Seeing alms tax in a dream. Alms tax in a dream means increase in one's income or prosperity. If a rich man sees himself paying the due tithe on his liquid assets in a dream, it means increase in his wealth, a spiritual growth and receiving the blessing of performing one's obligatory prayers on time. Payment of one's due tithe also represents protection from one's enemies. Paying alms tax in a dream also means performing supererogatory prayers during the night, repayment of debts, absolution, or it could mean paying a fine. Alms tax in a dream also means the death of a dear person in the family, or it could mean losing a limb due to an illness or an accident, giving a charity for the benefit of a departed soul, or payment of one's debts. Thus, paying alms tax in a dream may mean increase in one's wealth, recovering from illness or payment of one's debts, all of which earn levels of exaltation and blessings. To pay charity on one's property of silver in a dream means begetting a son, or it could mean getting married. If it is a poor person, then paying alms tax in a dream represents God's acceptance of one's deeds. If he is a sinner, it means that he will repent of sin and earn lawful money, and if he is a disbeliever, it means that he will become a believer.